Ever felt like your digital assets were floating in a digital void, vulnerable to the whims of online platforms and the ever-present threat of hacks? Like you're trusting a digital vault with a flimsy lock? We've all been there. The anxiety of securing your crypto, your digital keys, the very essence of your digital ownership. It's a real thing. And in a world where digital security is paramount, the idea of a physical, tangible solution is incredibly appealing. Enter Tangem, a physical, cold storage wallet designed to bring your digital assets into the real world. But, as with any tech, compatibility is key. You're holding this sleek, secure card in your hand, ready to take back control, but then the crucial question hits: will it actually work with your phone? That's precisely what we're diving into today. Forget the vague product descriptions and marketing jargon. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty. Which phones are truly compatible with Tangem, and what does that compatibility actually mean? Let's break it down. Tangem wallets primarily rely on NFC, or near-field communication. Think of it as that magical tap-to-pay technology you use at the grocery store, but for your crypto. This means your phone needs to have a working NFC chip. And, generally speaking, most modern smartphones do. For Android users, you're often in good shape. The vast majority of Android devices released in the last few years come equipped with NFC. However, there are exceptions. Budget-friendly models or older devices might lack this feature. To be absolutely sure, check your phone's specifications. You can usually find this information in your phone settings, under Connected Devices or Connections, or by simply searching your phone model online. Now, for Apple users, the story is a bit simpler. All iPhones from the iPhone 7 onwards have NFC capabilities, making them compatible with Tangem. So, if you're rocking anything from an iPhone 7 to the latest model, you're good to go. But compatibility isn't just about NFC. It's also about the Tangem app. This app is your gateway to interacting with your Tangem card. It's where you manage your assets, sign transactions, and essentially control your digital vault. Both Android and iOS versions are available, and they're regularly updated to ensure compatibility with the latest operating systems. However, keep in mind that older operating systems might not be supported. Tangem, like any app developer, focuses on supporting the latest versions for security and performance reasons. So, if you're still running a very old version of Android or iOS, it might be time for an update. And here's a crucial point: ensure you download the Tangem app from official sources only, the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Avoid downloading from third-party websites or unofficial app stores, as these can be risky and potentially lead to malware or compromised versions of the app. Ultimately, the compatibility of Tangem boils down to two key components: a working NFC chip in your phone and a compatible operating system running the official Tangem app. If you have both, you're ready to experience the security and control that Tangem offers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.